Hello all and welcome back. So in this video, I would like to discuss about the inbuilt hash map which is present in our Python. Now, while I was talking about the hash map in the last two videos, I'm pretty sure that many of you might kind of got an intuition that, hey, isn't dictionary something which help us to do the same thing? So we have covered dictionary already in the earlier modules. There you must have learned that in dictionaries, I can store key and value pair, right? So, dictionary is actually the hash map which is inbuilt in a inbuilt way provided in Python, just like lists are very analogous to arrays. Okay, so let us see the same, everyone. Once let us go to Google and search one something. So, how are dictionary implemented in Python? Okay, so I've searched it many times, but yeah, let us see the Stack Overflow answer. Python dictionary, okay, they are implemented as hash tables, right, everyone? So internally, hash table is the concept on which Python dictionaries are implemented. Now you will be seeing many terms in bold here. So my aim will be that this full answer, right, all the bold terms, you are able to understand once we complete this module. So many things are there. It is implemented as C struct. Then values are hash key and value. Okay, so when a new dictionary is initialized, it starts with 8 slots again. So the basic idea though is that it is implemented using hash tables. Okay, great. So let us see the same as well in action then, everyone. So this is a hash map. I'm naming my dictionary as a hash map. Okay, it has many methods which we can use. So clear, copy, get, items, keys, pop, update, values, pop item. All these are the major overall methods which are provided. Now I can say that let's say 1 equals 1, right? And if I just let's say print hash map dot, or let's say just I print the hash map and I run this, you're going to get this particular thing where, let me zoom it in as well. Yeah. So in this, what exactly is happening? This is the key and this is the value, right? So tomorrow I can just search by this and I'm going to get 1. If I make it 1 1 like this, then it's going to give me an error that, hey, this key is not present. You have not asked me to store something like this. How are you expecting the same? Okay, great, everyone. So, pretty sure this we have done in full depth in the dictionary modules. Now, let us just try to solve some question which will help you to refresh on what dictionaries were, right? And how we used to work on them. We are going to follow the same approach as in BST, going to solve some question and then finally understand why exactly, how exactly are they implemented. Because the idea is that when you are learning about data structures and algorithm in general, you should have an overall intuition as well as understanding that how things are implemented. It should not that things are just a black box for you where how anything is happening you are not aware of. Okay, so that's the major aim because of which we will go inside how these are implemented. Though from a usage point of view, it is not a problem. Okay, you can use dictionary. It is as good as a hash map, which we are going to implement going further. Great. So let us now try to do some question, everyone. The first question is something like this. So they are pretty easy question. You will be able to do the same. Three. So the same question which we talk about here, what I have to do, I have to count the frequency. Okay, so I have to count the frequency of elements in this particular list, right? So let us do one thing. Let us close this and let us write a function def count frequency. Okay, I will be getting a list. So let's say nums only. I will be making an answer, right? Answer is an empty dictionary. The whole idea behind this question, and you must have done a similar question as well, is that I will be using these as keys and the frequency as values. So for each number in nums, I will be looping them one by one. If it is already present, if each number in answer, then what I have to do? Answer of each number, this is the key, right, which I'm using. I will add it by 1. Else, I have to make sure that I define this because it is not there. So I have to initialize it by 1. So if you get 2 for the first time, we will add it to our dictionary, to our hash map. And once this is done, pretty easy question, we can just return the answer. If let's say we try to print this, then we are going to see how or what exactly is the way. 1 second. Yeah. So it was not saved. Yeah. So 1 is 3 times, 2 is 3 times, 3 coming 2 times, 4 coming 1 time. Hopefully this will be totally right because it's a common logic. So 1, 1, 1. 1 coming 3 times, 2 is 2 times. Yeah. So it's working fine. Okay, everyone. So I hope this is clear. Overall, the idea is again that we are able to use this property of dictionary where we are storing these things one by one. Right? Great. So now let us move forward, everyone, and try to solve one more question. In this question, what I have to do. So there is something which is known as anagrams. Okay, let me search and tell you what exactly anagrams are. Anagrams. Word phrase formed by rearranging the letter of another, such as SPAR formed from RASP. Okay. So silent and listen, they are anagram because they are using the same overall alphabets, right? Heart and earth. So that's also very interesting anagram, right? Great. So the question which we have to solve is that let's say we are given some words, right? Say eat, say tea, then let's say we have tan, we have ate, we have NAT, we have PAT. Okay, great. What I have to do, I have to group anagrams, right? So I will be writing some function group anagrams, and let's say I will be sending my words there, right? So let us write this function as well. This video, I just want to make sure that you quickly remember on how we used to use a particular use dictionary to solve anything. Okay. Dictionary, of course, as Hashmap is useful in many places. In machine learning, in development, the basic Python dictionary is used a lot, right? So the overall application of Python dictionary or hash maps in Python is also a lot, right? So let me make a new dictionary, an empty one, which is anagrams, right? For each word in words. Okay. So what can I do here? Let us think on the logic. I believe what exactly can be done. 1 second, what it's saying. Words. Okay. No, the overall function is not complete. That's why it's giving an error. No worries. What can I do? If we pay attention, eat and tea, they are anagrams, right? If I sort them up, if I just sort them, okay, I believe that we can get the same word, right? So let's say earth was there and heart was there. If I just write, let's say sorted of heart. Okay, let us see. If I just print this sorted of heart, let me comment everything so that it doesn't give any error. Let us run this. See, AEHRT. Okay, equal will not work here. Print sorted of earth. Let us run this as well. See, they are exactly same, right? Now I have them in a list. Uh, Now, list is actually not stored in your dictionary as a key. So, not sure how many of you are aware of this, something which I have to cover, but let us see that as well. If you are adding, if you're trying to add a list in your hash map as a key, it is going to give you an error. See, unhashable type list. It is saying that, hey, I cannot hash this type list. Can you please use some other type? So, yes, we said that it can be anything. The keys can be anything. List is not basically taken. The reason for that is lists are actually something which you can change. Now, your dictionary will be saving this particular 123 as a key, but tomorrow you can change, go to the list and change it. Okay. And that will be a problem. It will remember 123, but you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I make it a tuple, 1 second, If I make it a tuple, then it works fine because tuples you cannot change. Once you have defined them, you cannot change. Okay. So we'll talk a little bit more on this hash and everything. No worries. So yeah, the basic idea behind this is that if I am able to sort this out, I will be getting a list. This list I can easily join using this join. So if we print this now, 1 minute. So it takes a second to close. Yeah, it is now AEHRT. Same thing we can do here as well, everyone. So now if we run this, AEHRT. Okay, so it takes just a split second to save. That's why we are seeing this error. No worries. So yeah, same thing we have to work on now. What we have to do? Sorted word. It will be sorted of my each word. So I will be getting it in a sorted manner. If this is present in my anagrams, then what I have to do? I have to just add. So I'm creating a overall key, which is this sorted word. So for earth and heart, this is my key, and I can just append my word here. So I'm not changing my word. If this is not the case, then also we know what we have to do. We just have to create the first entry, right? So sorted word equals words equals each word. Once this is done, I can return my anagram. So just a smart way of doing this particular problem. We could have gone one by one to check if this E is present everywhere, if A is present everywhere. But yeah, overall, in a nil-long approach. So what's the error it's giving? A string object has no attribute append. Okay. So dictionary is not having append. The reason for that is I should save it as a list, not as a string. Now it will work fine. Okay. So let me remove this and let us see the output, everyone. What exactly is the output? I am returning this words and I should actually return its values. Then we will be able to see the same. So you all must remember that values is a function in dictionary, right? Now if we run this, see. So it's saying that eat, tea and ate, they are one group of anagrams. Then tan, nat are other group and BAT are other group. Okay. So that is the basic idea about, I would say, dictionaries or the inbuilt hash maps. Just to help you quickly revise, although I guess that it would have been a lot revised now, we are just trying that. Let me make it in the notes. So in your dictionary, right? In your dictionary, again, we can store things in key value pair, right? So in key value pair, just that is the thing. It's the inbuilt dictionary. Again, because you have spent so much time previously on this, so I'm pretty sure that you must all remember. There are few methods which are there. Okay, so maybe we can see them one by one as well. Let me just try to, let's say, get this particular as a dict one. Okay, so just let us just get this answer instead. Okay, this answer into count frequency. So once I have this answer, everyone, then what all can I do? Let me remove all these things here. 1 second. Yeah. So let us run this thing here. Okay, everyone. So what I'm going to do is answer. Okay, dot. I can see values. So it's going to give me all the values. So it's saying that no values are there. 1 second. I'm getting this answer, right? Okay, I think we forget print, right? It is not Jupyter Notebook. In Jupyter Notebook, we are able to see this. So see everyone, dict values 3, 3, 2, 1. This is one function which I have. Okay. Then similarly, we have keys here. So we have keys. Let us run this. We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. What can I do is, let me zoom it out, and answer is key 1, 1, key 2, 2. Okay, so let us now run this. See, I'm getting key 1 and key 2. I can get values. I will get 1 and 2. Okay, so all these are the methods which we have, of course, studied in a lot of detail. Clear is going to delete your dictionary. Delete all the elements in your dictionary. Copy, make a copy. From keys, okay, print the values to a stream. So we can work on this particular keys, right? So separator, string inserted between values, default a space. This is all operation which we can do. Then similarly, get, we can just get a particular value for a key. Items, it's going to give me a tuple of key and value. Keys give me the keys. Pop will be popping the last item, I believe. So last added item. Okay, so it is asking, right? Let us see what exactly it says. So pop, okay, it remove specified key and return the corresponding value. So it is asking you for the key. If you are not giving the key, then it's an error. Key one. Now it's going to remove the same as well from my dictionary and give me that back. So these are some basic methods, I would say, everyone, which is there in my dictionary. We have the update as well, if you will see. Set default, while adding, we can use it. Pop item, keys. All these are the methods which we can use in our dictionary. Okay. So anytime you have to use hash maps for your code in Python, you can use dictionary because they are internally hash map, as we saw on that Stack Overflow answer as well. Right, everyone? Great. So now let us move forward. And in the next video, we are going to see and go inside that how exactly is this magic happen where we are able to get everything in a constant time, right? Because that's a very big thing. If we are able to store so many values and get them in a constant time. Okay, everyone. So let's meet in the next video.